Hello everybody, I wanted to make a video to show you how to put the home screen in landscape mode on a Note 9 with Android 9. It's actually pretty easy to do. You just need to go to the settings and then you're going to go to display, and under display, if you scroll down a little ways, there's an option that says home screen. Under home screen, scroll down again, and there's an option that says portrait mode only. All you have to do is uncheck that, and then if you go back to your home screen, it will go to, as you can see, it'll rotate. Thanks. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe, and if you have any comments, leave them in the section below.